Hello food lovers, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're whipping up a super easy, healthy and oh so delicious tuna-stuffed avocado with cucumber and radish salad. This is your go-to recipe for a quick lunch or light dinner that's bursting with fresh flavors. Let's get started. This dish is perfect for busy days when you want something nutritious but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. It's high in protein, low in carbs, and comes together in just 15 minutes. Plus, it's budget-friendly and meal prep-friendly. Who's ready to dig in? Here's what you'll need. 2 ripe avocados, a can of tuna in water, mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, lemon juice, red onion and fresh cilantro for the stuffed avocados. For the salad, grab a cucumber, radishes, green onion, fresh dill, olive oil, and a bit more lemon juice. Simple, fresh and so tasty. First, let's make the tuna filling. Drain your tuna and pop it into a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt for a lighter twist. Squeeze in a tablespoon of lemon juice for zing, then toss in finely chopped red onion and cilantro. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all with a fork, keeping some tuna chunks for that perfect texture. Now let's prep the avocados. Slice them in half and remove the pits. Scoop out a bit of the flesh to make room for the filling. You can save it for smoothies. Brush the avocados with a touch of lemon juice to keep them vibrant. Then, spoon that delicious tuna mixture into each half, packing it generously. Look at that creamy goodness. Time for the refreshing salad. Thinly slice your cucumber and radishes. A Mandoline makes this super quick, but a sharp knife works too. Add them to a bowl with sliced green onion and chopped fresh dill. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour this zesty dressing over the veggies and toss gently. Doesn't that look crisp and inviting? Now, let's plate it up. Place your tuna-stuffed avocados on a plate and serve the cucumber and radish salad alongside. Sprinkle a bit more dill or cilantro for that extra pop of color. This dish is perfect for a light lunch, dinner, or even meal prep. It's fresh, healthy, and absolutely delicious. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another tasty recipe.